The propeller-powered pendulum is one of the advanced projects in our engineering projects with Vernier book. It's one of several that involves instrumentation and control of a system. In this project, we asked the students to build a system with our rotary motion sensor here and an arm with an electric motor mounted on it with a fan blade, a propeller blade. And the propeller can provide some motion and positioning of the arm. In each chapter of this book, we offer a project which is meant to be a relatively straightforward task, and then we offer more complicated challenges. For the project in this book, all we ask the students to do is to write a program using LabView to make this arm move like a pendulum. That is, give it a little kick so it keeps running like this forever. Much like you would give your younger brother a push in a swing. You have to give a little push or else they'll stop swinging. So that's really not too hard to do. We have a sample program here, VI, they call them in LabView. Let's give it a try. Notice that the fan only comes on when the arm swings in one direction, so we get the effect of keeping this going. It should go forever. I'm going to go ahead and stop this now, and let's take a look at the code. It's relatively simple code. This is LabView code now. It's basically a loop, and we're continually checking the position of the arm from that express VI on the left, which reads the position of our rotary motion sensor, and then we just make a decision on whether or not to turn the motor on, depending on what the arm position is. So that was the project for this chapter. The challenge and the extreme challenge from this chapter of the book have the students take this concept further. Instead of just turning the fan on and off, we actually have them control the power level for the fan so that you have better control of the position of the arm. In the extreme challenge, we actually have them make a PID, proportional integral derivative controller for the arm position, which is a classic engineering project. Chapters of engineering books are devoted to this, but basically they have to have a program that takes the arm from this position to 40 degrees and holds it steadily and does that most efficiently. The whole concept of tuning a PID controller is a great one for students to experiment with. If you have any questions about any of the projects in our engineering projects with Vernier book, check out our website.